best file manager application. There could be, and I wish you guys would use it like so open application will ask you to allow some permissions and stuff and allow and okay for this here, and you're pretty much here in your file settings. So this is all your files. You can pretty much delete anything that you want, edit any file name. You can go in your download section, delete any files there. You can also put on the plus icon here, you can create any folder, keep the folder in. So you can find it somewhere within the list here, wherever the folder is. Here, as you can see, it's right here, new folder. As well, I can create a new folder within that. And then again, a new folder within that folder. You get what I'm saying? So, very, very easy app to use. And as well, I can search for, let's say, an APK within my storage by just opening the search icon here. It will able to tag APK and then go ahead and search for the name of that APK, and as well not just APK, audio, any music, documents that I have in my on my device, images, pictures, pretty much everything. Also zip files and everything, guys. So very, very easy app to use. And as well, you can change how the layout looks for this. I just tapping on this here, the view option here. You can see here all the options here to change the layout and so forth. You can fix the size, which one comes first, which one comes last, the date by which each is edited, which one comes first, which one comes last, sending order, descending order. You can adjust all of those. So in the settings option, how you have some other general settings which you can change. The home folder, you can change your home folder as there as well. So just some lot of other features which you can look at. You have the root option. If your device is rooted, you can take that part as well. You have the interface, you can edit as well to your liking. You have other plugins which you can add to applications and so forth. So it's a very, very good file manager application used by many and even by me, and I do have a pro version of this application on my device, and I'll be reviewing that very soon as well. But it's a very good application, and if you want to delete anything at all you have to do is, let's say for example this here, hold long press it, or you can just simply hold on to whatever you're gonna press here, delete. Once I've done that, you can delete it, you can cut it and move it somewhere else, you can compress it into zip. Here you can pretty much see everything here that you can do. So very, very good application to have. I'm not gonna lie, so if you don't have it in 2025, do not let the 2026 come and you do not have it, or whatever here. Once you're watching this video, make sure you get it right now. And with all that said, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.